Welcome back to Winner's Capsule. Today we'll discuss some important questions for various competitive exams. Before moving to the question, if you're watching our channel for the first time, kindly watch completely, share and don't forget to subscribe. And for notifications, kindly press the bell icon. Moving to the first question. The inquiry and disciplinary procedures relating to the conduct of civil servant are subject to which article of the Constitution of India? A. Article 309, B. Article 310, C. Article 311 and D. Article 312. Answer is option A. Article 309. The power of the state under Article 309 to prescribe the conditions of service by law or rules includes the power to regulate disciplinary proceedings against government servants. We'll have a brief discussion with rest of the articles. Article 310, it is also known as pleasure doctrine, as the president can appoint union civil government depending upon its pleasure. This article also talks about the tenure of office of persons serving the union or state. Moving to Article 311. Article 311 talks about the dismissal, removal or reduction in rank of persons employed in civil capacities under union or state. Article 312 empowers the Rajya Sabha in order to create All India services and also abolish any existing All India services or any other institution. This power is only for Rajya Sabha. So, the inquiry and disciplinary procedures relating to the conduct of civil servant are included in Article 309. Second question. Gol Gumbaz was built during the reign of A. Yusuf Khan, B. Ali Adil Shah, C. Ibrahim Adil Shah and D. Muhammad Adil Shah. Answer is option D. Muhammad Adil Shah. Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur is the mausoleum of King Muhammad Adil Shah, who belonged to the Adil Shah dynasty. Construction of the tomb located in Vijayapura, formerly Bijapur, Karnataka, was started in 1626 and completed in 1656. Right below the tomb, there is a circular gallery, and this gallery is known as Whispering Gallery because even a small whisper, it gets amplified and is carried across a distance of more than 40 meters and can be heard clearly. So, Gol Gumbaz was built during the reign of Muhammad Adil Shah. Third question. Mansabdari system was introduced by A. Babur, B. Akbar, C. Aurangzeb, D. Humayun. Mansabdari system was introduced by Akbar. Option B is the right answer. Mansabdar was a military unit with the administrative system of the Mughal Empire introduced by Akbar. This system, it determines the rank and status of the government official and the military generals. Those Mansabdars whose rank was 1000 or below were called as Amir, and while those above 1000 were called as Amir al-Kabir. So Mansabdari system was introduced by Akbar. Fourth one, which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? We can see name of the books and authors are given. First option, The Burning Forest, author Nandini Sundar. One Indian Girl, Chetan Bhagat. Jinnah Often Came to Our House, Kiran Doshi. And Island of Lost Girls, Kunal Basu. Here, Island of Lost Girls, Kunal Basu, this pair is not correctly matched. Option D is the right answer. Author of Island of Lost Girl is Jennifer McMahon. Fifth one, the Sachar Committee report is on social, economic and educational status of A. SC and STs, B. Christians, C. Sikh, D. Muslims. Sachar Committee report is on social, economic and educational status of Muslims. In March 2005, the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh had constituted a 7-member high-level committee headed by the former Chief Justice of Delhi High Court, Rajendra Sachar, to study the social, economic and educational conditions of Muslims in India. So the Sachar committee submitted its report in 2006 and It was available in public domain in November 30, 2006. So, the Sacha Committee report is on social, economic and educational status of Muslims. Moving to the sixth question. Which of the following state does not have a high court of its own? Sikkim, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh, Mizoram. Answer is option D, Mizoram. Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram and Goa does not have its own high court. Goa comes under Bombay High Court, whereas Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Mizoram comes under Guwahati High Court. Seventh one. On which date President of USA Donald Trump recognized Jerusalem as the capital of Israel? A. 6th November 2017, B. 6th December 2017, C. 6th January 2018, D. 6th January 2017. Answer is option B, 6th December 2017. So, on 6th December 2017, President of USA Donald Trump has recognized Jerusalem as the capital of Israel. Eighth one. Border Security Force BSF is responsible for guarding on borders of which country? A. Pakistan and Nepal, B. Pakistan and Bangladesh, C. Pakistan and Bhutan, D. Pakistan and China. BSF is responsible for guarding on borders of Pakistan and Bangladesh. Option B is the right answer. BSF is India's primary border guarding organization on its borders with Pakistan and Bangladesh. It is one of the 6 Central Armed Police Forces of India, formed on 1st December 1965. Motto is Duty Unto Death. It comes under the Ministry of Home Affairs and it has been termed as first line of defense of Indian territory. So BSF is responsible for guarding the borders of Pakistan and Bangladesh. Ninth one. Libero is related to which game? A. Basketball, B. Kabaddi, C. Volleyball and D. Kho-Kho. Libero is related to volleyball. Libero is a player specialized in defensive skills. Libero must wear a contrasting jersey color from their teammates and cannot block or attack the ball when it is entirely above the net height. They can replace any back row player without prior notice to the officials. So, Libero is related to volleyball. Moving to the 10th question. What is the distance of marathon race? A. 21 miles 385 yards, B. 25 miles 385 yards, C. 26 miles 385 yards and D. 42 km. Distance of marathon race is 26 miles 385 yards. Option C is the right answer. Marathon, it is a long distance race with an official distance of 42.195 km, that is 26 miles 385 yards, usually run as a road race. Event was instituted in commemoration of the fabled run of the Greek soldier Phidippides, a messenger from the Battle of Marathon to Athens who reported the victory. This was one of the original modern Olympic events in 1896, though distance did not become standardized until 1921. So, the distance of marathon race is 26 miles 385 yards or 42.195 kilometers. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this channel useful, kindly subscribe. Thank you.